Hello and welcome to another update video about LINK. Chainlink continues to move in a sideways correction. You know that it's been in this correction for basically a year. Yeah, I mean, not many weeks left and we've really been in this range for a year between 530 and 950. That's our range. My grid bot is happy with the current movement. I can't complain. So that's going well. And I think it's a perfect, it's just a perfect application for a grid bot. We are in a situation where we are currently below resistance. You can see the red area there between 716 and 788. This is our resistance for the bearish wave count. There is still a bearish wave count that can play out, and that would take us down into the region between 290 and 350. The reason is that because we've been in this sideways range, bearish scenarios are still very much likely here on this chart. In contrast, we've got the bullish count that would become much more likely above 788. Yeah, obviously when we break above the resistance, the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement of the move down here that started on the 19th of February, yeah, that would make or give us much more comfort that the orange count is playing out, which is the bullish count, which can take us above the range high, the upper boundary line of the range. So getting above that ultimately will have bullish implications. It would be a break above the 950 level. If I zoom out, you can see this is sort of the constraint here for this range, $9.50. Now you'll say, okay, there's a bullish and a bearish count. Easy, right? It can both work out. What's the point? The point is to understand the key invalidation points, or the points where probabilities are shifting. So below $6.19, the white count will come into play. Yeah, that is the bearish count, and it will become much more likely. Above 788, the bullish count, which is the orange one. I'm personally leaning towards the bullish count. I've been saying that for the last few weeks, maybe even months. That the reason is the general situation in the crypto market. And so far it's been, yeah, it's been behaving. Yeah, LINK has been behaving. It did hold our trend reversal area here. We entered that on the 16th of March. And I took the other ones off the chart because they're just, you know, overwhelming the chart if I have too many of them on the chart. But yeah, because as long as we're holding here the 78.6 Fib retracement of this move to the upside, which started on the 10th of March to the wave 1 high, which was the peak of the 14th of March, as long as we're holding that level, my focus is on higher. And so far, yeah, again, I mean, you see the upside movement. It's trying to push against the top of the range here of this resistance area at 788, but so far it has failed to break through. If it will break through, which I assume it, well, if this is the correct count, it should do that, then it would take it first, in my opinion, to the 830 level. That's the previous swing high here, and then ultimately to 950. Important would be though, and that's the condition for this to play out, first of all, to hold $6.19, that should be clear. But also on the micro level, the micro support is this wave 2 low. And did I switch that on? No. And the important low here, the micro support is 675. So against 675, we can ultimately focus on higher. So good performance today, yeah, but not enough yet to really break out of the resistance area. 788 is the key level. Should be clear by now. Hopefully you liked the update about LINK. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.